How to use Android's Nearby Share for fast reply and file transfer. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you how you can use Android's Nearby Share for fast app and file transfer. Now before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right into it. First of all, before you begin, you will need to check for your requirements. You'll need to make sure that both the devices that are involved are running Android 6 or higher and have Bluetooth, location, and Wi-Fi enabled. So just check all of that. And after you've done that, you can then move on to the next step. So you can open up at the file or link or app that you want to share. So I'll just head over to my Google's file and select a video. Then after that, what you can do now is tap on the share button on the top. After doing that, you'll then find the quick share option. Tap on it. From here, you can now search nearby devices, tap and turn on Bluetooth. And after you do that, now if you find a person here, you can then select the device that you want to send the content to. Wait for the other device to accept the transfer. Then after that, the transfer will be complete. And it's that simple. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.